Tired of high costs and long wait times? Upgrade to Freedom Electronics FE parts, engineered to outperform OEM parts. Freedom engineered products are born from years of tearing apart failed OEM parts and exposing exactly where they crack, wear out, and quit. Our remanufacturing experience showed us every weak link, and we re-engineered them stronger. We don't copy the OEM, we correct it. Every part is re-engineered to outperform, outlast, and outwork the original. Printers that jam, expensive replacements, obsolete gas pumps and POS systems. You've dealt with the same OEM problem for years, and so have we. That's why we build something better. We offer over 180 products that are designed and improved by our engineers to replace OEM products. Parts get discontinued, prices go up. Always look for the Freedom New option when selecting a product for availability, better value, and performance. We have an easy-to-use website, fast delivery, industry-leading warranty, and reliable customer service you can always trust. Avoid downtime and keep customers happy with FE parts from Freedom Electronics.